Imagine you are driving a car and all you hear on the radio is static. Does that mean the music doesn't exist? No, it simply means you haven't tuned in to the right station yet. Wealth and success work exactly the same way. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Most people work incredibly hard, but their mental frequency is tuned to poverty. Today, we are going to talk about the invisible science used by the top 1% of the world. We are going to combine Tesla's 369 code with Napoleon Hill's Definiteness of Purpose to learn a technique that will sync your bank balance with your thoughts. If you are ready to change your financial reality, the next 7 minutes could be the most important minutes of your life. Napoleon Hill explained in Think and Grow Rich that our brain is like a radio station. It both broadcasts and receives thoughts. But here's the problem. If you spend your entire day sending out thoughts like, "How will I pay the bills?" or "I don't have enough money," the universe broadcasts that same frequency back to you. Quantum physics tells us that what we focus on expands. Wealthy people operate differently. They work on a frequency of abundance rather than scarcity. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this?" they ask, "How can I afford this?" This tiny shift moves your frequency from helplessness to power. Nikola Tesla was obsessed with the numbers 3, 6, and 9. He believed they were the keys to the universe. Here's how we use them for wealth. First, the number 3. This represents your direct connection to the source. Every morning when you wake up, spend 3 minutes feeling the emotion as if you already possess the wealth you desire. Second, the number 6. In the afternoon, read or write your chief definite aim 6 times. This pushes the idea deep into your subconscious mind. Third, the number 9. Before going to bed, spend 9 minutes visualizing a future where money is no longer a problem, but a tool. When you do this consistently for 21 days, you program your reticular activating system. Suddenly, you'll begin to see opportunities that were right in front of your eyes all along, but you were tuned out of them. Nature hates a vacuum. If you want new money to enter your life, you must make space by clearing out old, stagnant energy. Napoleon Hill taught that you must give before you get. This isn't just about donating money, it's about letting go of old fears, old excuses, and people who pull you down. When you mentally let go of your poverty identity, you create a vacuum for the frequency of wealth to fill. Why is the culture of philanthropy so big in America? Because they know that when you give, you signal to the universe that you already have plenty, and the frequency of plenty attracts even more. Wealth is not an accident, it is a tuning. You are the owner of your life's radio. Which station are you listening to? Scarcity or abundance? Remember, Nikola Tesla gave us the map, and Napoleon Hill gave us the path to walk. Now, it is your turn to take the step. Start your 369 journey tonight. If you are ready to try this mysterious frequency, type "I am tuned in the comments below. Like this video and send it to someone you care about. Subscribe to the Hill Blueprint, because here, we don't just teach you how to be rich, we make you worthy of it. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep your frequency high.